Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Navit and this is HyperPix. I'm back with a Chrome text effect. In this video I'm going to show you how you can apply this beautiful and cute text effect to your text and your logo in less than 1 minute. I promise you, okay, without any special knowledge in Photoshop. Before anything else, I have to tell you something, that this text effect is applicable to any language, just like this one in Japanese. Perfect and beautiful. Okay, close it and let's see how it works. Right click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content, and in a new window, double click on the text layers and write your own text. But keep this in mind that take a look at these characters. We change the position of this font so that we don't have that leveled text. But if you want to do this, write your own text letter by letter. Keep that in mind that the capital letters and the small letters are a little bit different, so have this in mind. Okay, if you write this letter by letter, you can keep the same style, not in the same level. You can also customize a little bit. You can change the line height, as you can see, lower and upper it. You can change the variables from the characters folder. Okay, you can do anything you want with this. We got the same thing with the next layer. Okay, I can resize it and make it a little bit bigger. I think we're done. Close it and select yes. There it is. There it is. Our text effect applied to this. Beautiful. What we gotta do is put the sparkles where they should go. Okay, let's see the detail. Okay, we got two text layers. You can select, double click and change it. And now we got sparkles. These are sparkly things, the sparkling lights here. We got two colors of sparkles, blue and purple. Just leave these two and remove the rest of them. Okay, we got two sparkles. We do this to speed up. Okay, select the blue sparkle and put it in a blue place. And press Alt and drag it to duplicate more. Put it in the shiny blue parts of your text so you get a bright and reflective look. Keep doing it. Okay, go to purple sparkles and put it in the shiny purple areas of your style. Okay, we're done with this. Easy peasy piece of cake, and you can see the result from here. Okay, we got style, which contains the technical structure of our design. Recommend you skip this one. In the next folder we got lights. There's a backlight. You can double click on these icons, change the colors from color overlay. Okay, there it is with the text. Let us import Coca-Cola logo. Double click on the thumbnail and in the new window, import the logo. Let me import it here. Okay. Okay, let's remove those text layers and position it in the middle. Just make sure the size. Okay, close these two. Close and select yes. Beautiful. Beautiful and handsome. You can do this with every logo. All we gotta do now is put the sparkles where they should go. How about that, huh? Okay, we got the style here. Select this one, and okay, our text has been applied to this. You can have this PNG. All you gotta do is go to lights and background and turn them off. You can also turn off sparkles. You can leave them to be. Beautiful and transparent. You can use it in different designs. If you want to download this, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get this and hundreds of other text effects. Get them for your next project. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't miss the new videos. I see you